Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful session with me, and today I'm going to show you how to design this food flyer on Photoshop. So without wasting time, let's get into it. So we are going to give our project a name. Let's name it food flyer, food flyer design. Fine. And I'm okay with these settings: 2000 by 2000, resolution is 300. Then when you are done with the settings, you can click on create. Awesome. So the first thing we are going to do is to work on the background. To do that, I'm going to use a solid color. This is a solid color. Pick it, and I have a color code right here that I'm going to use, and this is the first color code that I'm going to copy. I'm copying it, I'll paste it, then I'll click OK. Okay, so once again we go to our layer, click on solid color, then I'm going to paste, copy the second color code, and I'm going to paste it right away. Ctrl V to paste, and that's all. So one more thing, I will click on B on my keyboard to bring out the brush tool, then the flow to 100. I'm going to place it here. So I want to make one effect at the middle, so I'll tap on it. 1, 2, 3. So let me increase it a bit. 1, 2, 3. So let me dab on this side. Just watch as I'm doing it, and yeah, fine. And this is what I want to achieve. Excellent. Awesome. So the next thing for me to do is to go back to our gallery. Then I'm going to drag this pizza. Drag it here. Awesome. Then click OK. Fine. Awesome. So, and let me go ahead and start writing text. I'll bring out the text tool, and I'm going to tab on it, and I'm writing best. Ctrl A to select all. Then I'm going to give it a size of, I'm going to change the font. The font won't be Montserrat, it will be this Jungle Adventure. And we are going to change the size to 140 thereabouts. Then I'll click enter. Nice. This is the color code that I used for this particular color. So I think I have the color code here. Don't worry guys. Yeah, this is the color code. I'm going to drop this file together with the resources file that I use. I'm going to drop it at the description. Kindly check the description to get access to this. So when we are done, we click OK. Then click OK here. Then I'm going to drag it. Ctrl V, drag it to the middle. But I want to make sure that everything is properly aligned, so I'm going to use these align tools here to place it at the middle. Then Ctrl J to duplicate it, and I'm going to drag it here, just a little space behind it and below it. Then I'm going to double tap, then I'm going to write pizza. Yep, click OK. Then I'm going to make sure that it's properly aligned to the middle, and I can do that by using grade ball. This one is actually helping us, so I'm following this line to make sure that everything is place in the middle, and as you can see, it is well aligned and I'm cool with that. Awesome. So let me click on the tool, then I'm going to move it, and I will send it. I will bring this one to the top. Yeah, excellent. So if I need to drag the two here, let me drag it down just little, and make sure that everything is properly aligned to the middle, and that's fine. Now I'm going to group this one. Let me group this part, Ctrl J, then I'm going to name it PG background. So for now, let me leave it like this. I'm still going to work on this later on, and I'm going to go to our rectangle tools, then I'm going to draw this rectangle, then I'm going to change the fill color to, let me copy the color code from here. This is the color code for the rectangle tool. Copy it, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, Ctrl A to select, and Ctrl V to paste, then click OK. Nice. So T, I'll click on T on my keyboard. I'm going to duplicate this. Let me duplicate the best. Ctrl J to duplicate and drag it here. Then I'm going to edit it. I want to use the font to write this off. Then I'm going to give it let's say 50. Then okay. Yeah, we reduce the size to 50. Then I'm going to drag it over to the layer and bringing this up. It's too big. I'm going to reduce it. The more. Alright, so let me adjust the rectangle tool. I will select to Ctrl T, and I'm going to rotate it, twist it like this. Okay, then I'm going to drag it to this side. Awesome. So one more thing, I'm going to add drop shadow to the rectangle, and what I will do is to go to this layer and I'm going to click on drop shadow. So while waiting for it to load up, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do it to subscribe to my channel and share this video. If you have not liked this video, please like it and drop your comments at the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Thank you so much. And what I will be doing after it load up, and I'm going to follow these settings. You can do well to follow these 12 settings as well. This is the color that I used for the shadow, and this is the color code. You can pick it from here and you can play around it. You can make it more darker. Let me make it more darker, and the opacity to be 61, the angle is 90, spread distance is 20, size is 40, and spread is 0. When you are done with it, click OK. Awesome. And what we'll be doing next is to go back to our gallery and let's start importing. Let me start with this. Let me import this. Drop it, then place it here. I'm going to drag it to this side. Make sure that everything is properly aligned to the middle. Align to the middle. Then OK. Then I'll go back to our gallery again. I'll pick up this smoke effect and drop it here. Yeah. Awesome. So let me drop it down a little. I will click OK. Well, I'm going to mask it. I'm going to mask it. Add the mask. Bring the brush to off my cap lock, and I'm going to reduce the size of the brush. I'm going to erase some parts that I don't want. Okay. Mask. So I don't need the smoke around this side. Alright. Awesome. When that is done, then you click OK. So let me just group all this one. Let me group them. Or let me import everything so I can group them at the same time. So what I will do next is to bring this in, drag it in. Excellent. Exactly. That's how it will be. It's going to start at the top like that, and I'm cool with that. Okay. So let me bring this on your. I'm going to drag this on your to this. So I'm dragging it here. We're just going to place it and here. Oh, you can place it anywhere. I want it to be around here. Wow, awesome. And let me drag the last thing. I'm going to bring this in, drag it and drop it around here. Let me drop it here. So fine, awesome. We'll carefully look at it and see if there's anything we have to adjust, correct. But I'm absolutely fine with this. Let me reduce this contact. Let me reduce it a bit. And now I'm satisfied. I click OK. I'm going to adjust it, align it to the middle. And as you can see, awesome. Our work is looking awesome and fine and okay. I think now let's group it. Let's group our work. Let's group it and make our layer look awesome. After I've selected all, click on Ctrl J to group it, and I will type. Let me just give it detail. details. Awesome. And if you feel like adjusting the space, you can just drag this one. But because of this, I will move this one to the top below. And fine, we are good to go. And this is awesome. So to give it a finishing touch, what I will do next is to go to this adjustment layer, go to gradient map at the top, and I'm going to edit it. So for this side, I have a color code already, so I'm going to use. Come over to the file, then for the gradient color, pick this color code first. Ctrl V to select, Ctrl A to select all, Ctrl V to paste, then click OK. OK. Then the second one, tap on it and select, select all, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl A to select all, Ctrl V to paste, then click OK. Then click OK. OK. Then go back to our layer, and I'm going to change the blending option to soft light. Wow, awesome. I like this effect on it, and it's absolutely beautiful and mind-blowing. And with this, we come to the end of today's tutorial. You don't forget to like, share, and drop your comments at the comment section. I want to know how you feel about this design. Just let me know at the comment section. And also, if you want to support me, kindly check the description to click on my affiliate link and support me. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and I will see you in my next video. Keep creating, keep engaging, keep learning. Bye for now.